Streaming gameplay from a PlayStation 5 to a MetaQuest 2 headset allows for a large-screen gaming experience within virtual reality. This tutorial outlines the steps required to establish the connection using remote play functionality and third-party streaming apps. Step 1. Prepare the PlayStation 5. Turn on the PS5 and ensure the system software is updated to the latest version. Navigate to the Settings menu, then select System. Within System, locate Remote Play and turn the feature on. This setting must be enabled for any external device to stream from the console. Step 2. Install a streaming app on MetaQuest 2. Put on the Quest 2 headset and open the App Store. Search for a Remote Play or PS5 streaming application. Several third-party apps are available for this purpose. Shiaki is one commonly used option. Install the chosen app on the headset. Step 3. Sign in and connect. Open the installed app within the Quest 2 headset. The app will prompt you to sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Use the same account that is active on the PS5. After signing in, the app will search for available consoles. When the PS5 appears in the list, select it and initiate the connection. Step 4. Confirm the connection. On the PS5, a pop-up notification may appear asking to confirm the Remote Play connection. Approve the request. Once the connection is established, the PS5 screen will be displayed inside the Quest 2 headset. With Remote Play enabled on the PS5 and a compatible streaming app installed on the Quest 2, the console's screen can be viewed within the headset. This setup enables gameplay using the Quest 2 as a display for the PS5.